In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone on Smartsheet. Whether you're working in a collaborative environment or just need a quick and efficient way to get a colleague's attention, tagging them on Smartsheet is a useful tool. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. Starting from the homepage, you'll want to navigate to your Smartsheet workspace. This is essentially your control center, where all your sheets and folders are organized, helping you manage projects more effectively. Depending on how your personal setup is laid out, you might either navigate from your workspace or your homepage, but the idea remains the same. Head to where your sheets live. Once you're there, it's time to zero in on the specific sheet you need to work with. If you have multiple sheets and it's starting to feel like a needle in a haystack, don't worry. You can use the search function to pinpoint it quickly. Once you've opened the sheet, the next step is to identify the particular cell you'll be working in. Click on this cell, and you'll notice a toolbar or menu pop up on your screen. This is where the magic happens. Look over to the right-hand panel for an icon that's likely shaped like a speech bubble or something similar. This is the Conversations icon. A click on it will reveal a comment section, or perhaps an activity feed tied to the selected cell or row. It's in this space that discussions take place, where you can ask questions, share updates, and for our purposes today, tag someone. In the comment box that appears, get ready to start writing by typing the @ symbol. Immediately after, begin typing either the person's name or their email address. You'll see that Smartsheet is pretty clever here. In real time, it'll present a drop-down list of potential matches based on what you're typing. Make sure you're accurate with the spelling to ensure the name you want shows up in the suggestions. When you spot the correct person on the list, select them. Keep in mind, however, that for their name or email to pop up, they must be part of your team or have access to the sheet. Only shared users in your sheet or workspace will appear in this list. Once you've selected your recipient, craft your message or give some context. With your comment ready, go ahead and hit that Post Comment button. This action not only logs your comment into Smartsheet's conversation, but also sends a notification straight to the tagged user's email. This is key because it alerts them promptly, ensuring they turn their attention back to your sheet for any follow-up or action required. And that's all it takes. You've successfully tagged someone in Smartsheet, engaging them directly in your project or task. As you repeat this process, it will become second nature, and you'll find it to be a powerful way to streamline communication directly with your team on specific items. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating on Smartsheet.